Today, I'm here to not only inform you about industrial hemp, but to help you to understand why it should be legalized in America today. Hemp is a very misunderstood plant because of ignorant people assuming that it is one and the same with the drug marijuana. I do understand to some degree how they can get the two confused, considering they are from the same plant, which is cannabis. However, before one makes such a harsh decision and assumption, and make the production of it illegal, people should get knowledgeable on the matter. But luckily for us, most people won't do that. For those of you who don't know, like I previously insinuated, hemp and marijuana are two different things. Hemp is the stalks and seeds part of the cannabis plant that is used for industrial uses, whereas marijuana is the THC-rich flower-like buds and leaves of the cannabis plant. THC is the cannabinoid that gets you high. Hemp only contains about 0.5%, whereas marijuana contains 3 to 20% THC. The rest of hemp is CBD, which is the other main cannabinoid in the cannabis plant. CBD actually blocks THC, which is why many refer to hemp as anti-marijuana. Despite the common belief that you have to grow marijuana to get hemp, these two things are actually grown completely different, and they're even harvested at different times. Marijuana is grown a few feet apart from one another to have the plant grow wide and bushy and produce lots of the flower-like buds that are THC rich, whereas hemp is grown only a few inches apart so that the stalks grow tall and it never reaches the budding point. Hemp is also known as superfood. It is called this because it is extremely beneficial to animals and humans. Hemp at 80% contains the highest amount of polyunsaturated fatty acids than any other plant in the plant kingdom. The majority of these are omega-3 and omega-6. The balance ratio of essential fatty acids, or EFA, so closely matches human nutritional requirements that it makes food-grade hemp oil suitable for a variety of foods. It is said that one handful of hemp seed per day will supply adequate protein and essential oils for one adult. Different part of the plants can be used for different foods. For example, the food-grade oil can be used for salad dressing or drizzled on veggies, mixed with yogurt. The raw seeds can make hemp milk, which can be used to make dairy-free ice cream or lactose-free cheese, veggie burgers, even beer. The roasted seeds can be used for trail mixes, added to breads, muffins, and granola bars. And if you use hemp flour, you can make cookies, brownies, breads, a number of desserts, and even add the meal to cereals and salads. Now just think of how much nutrients we can provide to the entire world with just 100 acres of hemp. Hemp also has many textile, household, and work industrial uses, which widens the spectrum of which we can use hemp greatly. The absorbency and strength of hemp is unmatched by any other fiber. Hemp rope can be used to be used extensively on large ships because it strongly resists UV and saltwater rot. Also, the brand Levi gained its reputation for strong and sturdy jeans while they were being made of hemp canvas. Hemp, as composite fibers, is becoming an alternative to materials such as fiberglass, again because of its strength and durability. And it is said that it can deliver the same quality performance but in lower amounts or weights, or 25 to 30% stronger and better performance at equal rates. It is also shown to not be brittle and impact, which could give automobiles an extremely high safety rating. How could anyone in their right mind deny the production of material that can lower the amount of deaths and injuries in car wrecks so greatly? When it comes to the industrial part, hemp can be used as wood chips, animal bedding, concrete, insulation, furniture, stuffing, pulp, paper, plaster, so many different uses. And using hemp as pressboard makes it useful for everything from kitchen cabinets to car moldings and even structural beams for buildings. They say houses made out of hemp can not only withstand natural disasters such as tornadoes and floods better, but act as its own insulation, and rodents and bugs tend to avoid it. So that means no termites. Hemp use used to be farmed on over 400,000 acres in the United States and used for many helpful and necessary things until the unknowledgeable people led others to believe that it was like the drug marijuana. As you can see, the uses for industrial hemp are infinite. Making industrial hemp legal once again would not only give more jobs to today's farmers, but provide a logical and reliable source for many things in our lives, from food, cars to buildings, and so much more. It is not a drug. It is a very renewable resource that today's America should join the other countries such as Austria, China, Chile, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Great Britain, and so many more, in not only producing but educating the people about in order to legalize it in today's society. So get out there, get educated, and spread the word and legalize industrial hemp.